Show you how to mount this thing in. This is what came with it right here. This is gonna go in here. You're gonna have screw right there. We're gonna put 4 screw in, 2, 4 right there. There's a short screw and there's a clip. You don't have to grab it from here, so that's good. And then we're gonna remove this out. I'm trying to see what I have to do to remove it out first. But first of all, let's put some screw on here first. It's best to take a small screwdriver and take the 2 Phillips out from here and right there. There. Let's remove that out. Alright, I think the easiest way to do this is to remove this 4 instead of those first. Just take it out. Right there, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's get that out first, see if it's easier. I'm trying to see which one's easier. So after you take that out, what you want to do, you want to push this right there and twist it on 4 of them, 2, and the next 2 on the other side, and should be able to come out like that. Now you want to pry one side out like this side, try to use your finger or something, and then do the other side the same way, or you can take this whole thing out. This whole piece will come out like this, so I'm going to show you where all the clip is at. So you got 1 clip here, 1 clip there, and then on the bottom right here you got this clip right here, see this, and then this clip. So pry it out and then just go back in here and slide in like that. There you go. Make sure it's clipped in there, so that way when the customer push it in, see, it's not all the way in yet. Now you want to come out here. This is pretty cool. This on the bottom, they didn't do a good job on this dash right there, so I couldn't do much about it right here. So you see that? I probably can trim out a little bit, but I'm not gonna bother with that. We're gonna put it like this. See this old one, existing one, so the bottom is this side. I'm gonna try to look and see how it looks. This bracket right here, I'm gonna see where it's gonna go. I didn't read the direction, so it's gonna have a left and right. So right here, and then this is left. So how is it gonna work? I'm gonna play with this. Where's the bottom at? It's the bottom or the top. Okay, so it's gonna look like that. What if I put it this way? Would it look like that right way? No, it can't be like that. It's gotta be, this is left. Did I put it wrong way? Where's the bottom at? You see the bottom. Okay, this is top. That's the bottom, I'm right. So let me see how the screen go back. I gotta check it out. So we got a thing that look like this, okay? That's how you do this. So this is the, oh, well, I gotta switch it upside down. If I'm gonna go this way, you gotta look in the front, which one left, okay? So this is the left right here. Left side is this way. Left. Oh, you see that? It even say right. So we'll do the same as this right here. And then I'm gonna go put right here. Right side. Oh yeah, that's it right there. And you put the screw on here. So right is gonna look like this. Got the screw in, so same way as this. All right that. push it down, and right there. This is better, going down better. Yeah, like this, and screw that. Now take that 4 clip and just go and put it in like that, snap it in, but some of this thing is tight. So now I'm gonna take the bracket, the mounting, and slide it in like it's supposed to do. Like, which one's on top, which one's on bottom? Okay, like that. This might work like this. I'm not sure how that worked. The bottom one, I didn't read the direction. I know this is like that. It is a piece right here. So this piece must be had to stay right here with the. Oh yeah, I think so. So I did see this piece right here and the screw, and this gonna. I think this gonna go right here. Now there's also a direction to do this, and I just didn't read the direction. So I'm gonna try to do without direction. So I'm gonna let's screw it first. I'm just gonna plug the wire in first for the radio. See right here. Just plug one at a time. And I'm used to do one hand right now. Getting good with one hand. Right there. Now, oops, we're gonna need this. We don't need this. All right, let's put the 10mm in. We're not screwing it tight. It just make it a little bit loose so it can shift around. Look pretty secure right here. And I'm gonna put the top screw in the middle right there. This, put right here. I try to put a line right here because this has to go in the way it's supposed to be. So let's take the bracket in here, the whole bracket here. Now as it slide in there, you want to put that hazard light piece in. Once it's in, you want to go up like this to align it. Make sure it's gonna go in. Make sure nothing gonna hold anything, and put it back in that same clip. It should works, and just snap it in. Just be careful pushing it. Don't just hit it hard, just tap it. Now everything's plugged back in. I'm just gonna slide this AC control back in here like that, and we'll need a flathead. So on the single DIN radio, there's a metal bracket right here that's gonna hold the radio. So you take a flathead and pry it out and move outward like this right here, and then you're gonna slide in here first. Okay, once you get that done, you want to take the flathead right here and turn it like this. Turn it so it won't come back out. See that? A little bit loose. So if it's loose, you use the closer one here. And same as the bottom, do the same thing on the bottom right here. Now make sure it's tight like that, and then plug the radio in. Now once the radio is plugged in, you make sure there's no wire holding it back, and take the key and make sure everything works before you snap it in, because then you're gonna have to do the same thing, take everything out. Now turn it on. It come on. There we go. All you do is change the channel and it works perfectly, and you just take the tape out. Good to go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe below. Sorry for the camera moving like crazy.